Question time. What is a high ticket product? Are you trying to develop a high ticket product to sell? Are you trying to figure out what is and isn't a high ticket product? Well, this video covers 3 high ticket products that anyone can sell. First, I'm going to show you the easiest way to sell high ticket products. Then I'll show you the most fun way of generating high ticket sales and creating a ton of social proof. And finally, I will give you the secret of how I sell high ticket with my pajamas on and how you can do it too. If you want to hear all of this and more, definitely stay tuned. The first way to sell high ticket products, which I think is the simplest way to do it, is to take the services that you already have in your business and bundle them together. This increases the value of those same products. It's no different than if you were to sell them individually, except for the fact that when bundled together, the perceived value of that bundle is significantly higher than if you were to sell the individual products on their own. And that's pretty fantastic. That allows you to raise your prices. And I'm not saying you have to put in your most expensive services altogether. What you want to do is look at that customer's journey to the tangible result. Say you're a chiropractor and you want to help your customer have better posture and less pain. Well, what is included? Well, there's a recurring appointments to make sure that they're getting their manual adjustments. That's a service you would usually sell for like $40 or $50 individually, right? But you're going to sell them a recurring set of 6 or 12 months of appointments. On top of that, they'll also need to know more about the exercises that they should be completing at home. So you can put a little ebook together with those instructions for them. Hey, you can also give them a regular access to ask you questions about any other connections to their health. Like as a chiropractor, you know about holistic nutrition and you know about exercise, and you can give a space for your clients to then be able to access you and ask and answer those questions that they have. So all of these together are create a significantly higher value package than if you were to just sell the single service that you already have, which is a single adjustment for $40 or $50. You can sell that huge bundle together for significantly higher rates. So looking at the ways that you can bundle your previously existing services is totally the easiest way to create a higher ticket product for you. I want to know, do you guys already have high ticket products? Are you working on developing some? What ideas do you guys have? Let me know down in the comments. I am happy to answer any questions that you guys have about creating those awesome types of products. So we all like to have fun, right? Well, what if you could create experiences and sell those as high ticket offers? Well, fun thing is you absolutely can. That's in my opinion, that is the most fun way to create high ticket offers. Here's an example of what that might look like. Say you gather together 5 or 10 of your dream customers. You bring everyone together at a rented ranch or a really nice mansion that you've rented for this experience. Then you bring them together for a weekend of coaching and intensive training, and you have some fun t-shirts and swag along the way. This individualized small group experience is going to be able to be sold at a significantly higher rate than a regular coaching program online. The exclusivity, that sense of urgency around purchasing those tickets enables you to have a higher price point on that offer. So creating those experiences, find ways in your business how you can bring those people about. We've used a chiropractor in the previous example, so let's try and use that as another example here. So with a chiropractor, what kind of experience could you have? Well, we talked a little bit about that holistic approach to the body, where a chiropractor knows enough about nutrition and knows about exercise and all of that. Well, what happens if you bring together, say, 3 or 4 speakers or experts in those different areas that are important? You bring everyone together and you create create an experience, a weekend of in-depth knowledge and learning and coaching about the importance of posture and exercise and nutrition and stuff like that. And you give your people all of these tools and tangibles that they can actually implement in their lives when they get back home, helping them skyrocket their success, helping them get quicker and better results than if they were to just casually do their exercises, maybe pay attention to their diet, except for, every other Thursday and every Saturday. And, this will really be able to shape their identity as someone who cares about their body. All of that enables you to offer it at a very, very high ticket price. You know what can get you great results but isn't a high ticket product? Subscribing to this channel, clearly. So definitely subscribe. Every week I release new videos about income, authority, and influence online. You definitely want to check them out. And fun thing is, absolutely free. Come on and join us. I started selling high ticket products about 5 years ago from my bedroom, in my bed, with my pajamas on. It was my side hustle. It was what I did after a long day at work. I'd come on, I'd create content, I'd sell these high ticket offers, and then I'd rest peacefully overnight. That was pretty cool, I thought. And today I might as well tell you what I did to be able to do it so you guys can do it too. Simply what I did was I sold information. I created courses and ebooks and training programs around what I had learned that previous day. If I was casually reading in the morning and I was learning something about a subject, I'd create a piece of content around it that helped someone else learn that same thing, and I would sell it to people. And eventually, once I got enough of these individual lessons, I curated them and created my own course. As I refined that course and was able to get my people quicker results towards that tangible that they want, I was able to start offering that same product for more and more and more money. As I created more resources to help achieve that result, as I refined it more and more and more, I was able to offer it at higher and higher values. Now I'm able to bundle multiple courses together and sell those at a significantly higher price point as well. So that, I think, is a great way that you guys can start selling high ticket products with your pajamas on, and it increases your authority online as well, because now on your About Me page, you're a content creator, you're a course creator, and you're someone who's able to get people tangible results. Hey, you want to see behind the scenes of the visibility hacking movement? I got a secrets for you. Check out our visibility hacking secrets training. It's a whole visibility vault of all of these different trainings that talk about the frameworks and the strategies that we use in our movement to help get our clients incredible results, big visibility. They go from being nobodies to being known to being seen to being called on, and so much more. And I'm going to teach you all of those secrets and more. Check out the visibility hacking secrets training. It's down in the description box below. Definitely check it out. It's absolutely free, and you're going to do really cool things with what you learn in that training. So definitely check it out, and let me know down below if you've got any ideas for content that you want me to create, because I'm here to serve you guys.